Hello everyone, my name is Schimit from Schimit Solutions from Germany, and today I will tell you about something about cover crop application with DJI Agras. First I will introduce my company. I will tell you why we use cover crops, what's the benefits of cover crops, how we do the application, and show you a case. We are a service provider mainly since 2018, and since 2020 we use Agras drones in Germany, and since last year we are also a DJI agriculture dealer. In the last 4 seasons we fly about 12,000 hectares with the Agras drone. This is split in 7,000 hectares of spraying and 5,000 hectares with the spreading system. Cover crops, easily say, cover crops has the main function to protect the soil and all which is in the soil, the bacteria, the fungi, the nutrients, and also the water. And cover crops will be planted between the main crops, so we spread it in wheat or corn or grain, and then it will cover the soil over the hot summer. The application with drone has a big benefit that we can spread, like you see in the left picture, we can spread in the wheat maybe 1 week before harvest. Then the harvester is cutting the corn or the wheat and spread the straw on the seeds, and then they can grow up in it. And also we can spread on wet conditions. This is also very good or a big benefit. So the seeds have good or have water to grow and so on. And also it's big efficient. We can spread without T30, we can spread between 6 and 12 hectares per hour. This depends on the amount, how many kilos we spread per hectare. The big benefit, like I say, we have a early germination, so we have a faster coverage of the soil, and also we have a longer vegetation time, so we get more biomass on the field. In practice, the main or the very important thing is that we have a good transportation of the drone. It's very important that we have or spend times with handling. We have to fold out the drone, we have to load out of the car. So we use a single transporter, like on the left picture. We have T16. We can completely unfold it, load in the transporter, so it's very easy and very fast if we change the fields. On bigger missions, we have also to transport many seeds, maybe 1 or 2 tons, so we use a transporter with a trailer. Or if we have missions without roads, who we have to drive on grassways or over fields, we use a pickup with a 4-wheel drive. And also very important is the calibration of the spreading system. On the older ones we have to do very traditionally. We put a spreader into a box and then we let the seeds out over a defined time, so we can measure the weight and then we can calculate the amount of spraying per hectare. The new ones have a weight system and with an automatic calibration mode, so it's much more easier. On big fields like this one, in the middle, we make small plots. In this sheet is a field with 250 hectares, and we make plots with 15 to 20 hectares for one drone. And you can see there are yellow and blue lines. We fly this mission with 2 Agras at the same time. This is on big fields a big benefit. And the next one is the good condition of the drone. Make rapidly the maintenance, check the components, so to prevent accidents and save the downtime. Here's a case we do with a university with a focus on the biomass. This is a screenshot. The words are in German, but I explain it. The FM Ertrag is the fresh biomass. The students go on the field and make spots with 1 square meter, cut them and we'll weight them, so we get the fresh biomass. We can calculate up to a hectare. And by drone, we have a fresh biomass of 9.6 tons per hectare. And on the traditional way is the second. There will be a cultivation and then we'll seed it by a normal machine. We have 3 tons lower. And the mulcher, this is a cutter who cuts the stubbles, make them short and blow it on the ground. And in this process he can seed also. We have 6.4 tons. And the second line with the TM is the dry biomass. So they put the crops in an oven and bake it till all the water is out. So we have only the dry biomass. And the dry biomass gives us many information about the impact of carbon, of nutrition, and a higher dry biomass is better. So we have by drone 2.5 tons. On the normal way we have 9, and with the mulcher we have 1.6. So we can see between drone and the last one there are 10 days, and in 10 days we have 9 tons more growing of the plants. In the next case we have focused the coverage of the soil, and the students fly in a rapid time every week and with a multispectral camera, and we make the space between brown and green, so we get information about the coverage. And you can see on the blue line, 3 weeks after seeding we have more than 40% of coverage. So it's very high, and this is very good and very important. And with the other ways, it's much more lower. So this is the end. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'm here for you.